Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see best setting for GoPro video recording and upload your social media. So especially I'm using GoPro Hero 9 Black and I'm using some of the best setting of video recording, and I publish most of traveling video on my Traveling Rocks YouTube channel. So you can very easily visit on my channel. So I upload all videos via recorded of my GoPro Hero 9. So which setting I am personally use? So we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start as a demonstration. Video setting is the best for the shooting for the GoPro 9, or you can apply from 7, 8 or 10 also. So I always use of cinematic mode. So if you are looking my YouTube video or YouTube channel, so I record all videos via this video setting. So like here 5K 30, or you can select here around 4K also, except to 5K, but I always use 5K and 30. So I skip this one. Here several varieties also available, but you just keep it 5K and 30 if you record good quality of video. And here narrow, I always use narrow, so entire screen is as it is like this, so I prefer this one. And next, maximum video stabilization with this one, and you can record without video stabilization, but I always use this mode because of I need stabilization of my video content, so that's why I select this one. Here schedule of capture, I off this one. Limitation, duration of limitation is no limitation. Sound of the particular voice I prefer to off. And here timer, I go with the timer off. Here zoom, I prefer 1.0x, so that one is a by default. And here little bit scroll down, here bitrate standard, I go with the standard ratio of this particular portion. Then slider is auto, EV mode 0. White balance I prefer always in auto, because of most of time you are going to the like a shadow and sunny, so that point of I go with here as an auto mode point of view. SIO mini is 100, SIO is max is 1600 around. Here sharpness is high, I prefer my sharpness. Quality of videos and quality of pictures is high. Color is GoPro. Raw audio I prefer off this one, because of raw audio you need to on, so lot of memory are consuming this one. And here wild is auto, camera and medium mode is camera mode. Currently I have no media mode yet. And here shortcut, lower right off, and entire lower left, right and left is I off, upper right is off, and that's it. This is my best setting I use always of my video recording. If you want checking some output, so you can visit Traveling Rocks YouTube channel. So all traveling related videos I record using my GoPro, and this is of my personal setting. Record high definition videos and producing good quality of content on my YouTube channel. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.